Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay? Welcome to your activity class. Today's in class I will show you few steps, few dance steps I will show you. Okay? Why I will show you few dance steps today? Because 15 August coming soon. I hope you all have got your notice from school, and there we given certain instructions about your dance, singing and recitation about this matter, poster making. So for your preparation today I will show you few dance steps. Okay? And this type of activity very good for your health also. That's why I will show you few dance steps today. To try to follow this one. Boys and girls all are able to do this type of steps. Okay, now I will show you few steps. Number 1. Okay, with 4 count we will do this one. Try to follow. First steps, what I will do? So 1, 2, stretching. See, 3, 4, stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do this one with your leg, and if you are unable to do with your leg, if you can do only the hand movement. Understood? If you are unable to do with leg movement, you can do only hand movements. Understood? I hope you all are understood. If you have any problem afterwards, you can ask to me. And see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is second one. Okay? And third steps like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 3. Okay, stretch. You will stretch your leg and you will stretch your hand also. I repeat. Okay, you try to follow. I repeat. Have to stretch your leg and hand both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? Understood? Then I am going to next step. Okay, try to follow. 1, 2 steps. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, see nicely. One hand here. Here. 1, 2. I repeat. 1, 2. You always look at your hand. You always look at your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Understood? These steps. So, next steps is how to sit and how to up. How to sit and how to stand. I will teach you. 1, 2, 3. Chin up. I repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I will teach these steps applicable only for girls. These steps applicable only for girls. Only for girls these steps is applicable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more steps I am teaching, and these steps applicable for both. Boys can do, girls also can do these steps. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4. When boys will follow these steps, you will remain straight. When boys will do these steps, they will remain straight. Back straight. Like this. Like this. When any girls will follow these steps, that time have to bend. Girls should bend. Okay? Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And boys, I am doing one time for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Today only this much. Next day, next Saturday, I will teach you one dance. At first, whatever steps I have taught to you, try to practice in your home. Now, dancers, I have one question. What questions? Now, dancers are thinking, why Miss is giving so easy steps? This is very easy. These steps are very easy. Not so nice, not so good. You can think, but why I am giving this type of steps, you know? Because all are not dancer. All are not very good dancers. Have to think for all. Have to think for my all students. That's why I am teaching you this type of easy steps. Afterwards, I will give few different types of steps. Understood? And last 3-4 steps I am teaching you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? I am doing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear to you? Girls and boys both can do this type of steps. Now, on the toes, on the toes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I repeat, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the toes, you will do on the toes, and girls and boys both can do. And with leg stretching, you will do these steps. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see, with body movement. 1, 2. Look at the corner. Look at the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same things in these steps. What I have shown to you, we are going back side. Now we will come to the front. Okay. 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same step, students. I hope you understood. One time we are going back. After that we are coming to the front. I repeat. Watch it carefully. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going back side like this way, and we are coming like this way. One time we are going back, one time we are coming to the front. Okay. So today this much, only this much. You try to follow. Next day I will teach you one nice song. Either I will teach you one nice song or I will teach you one patriotic dance. Okay. Practice it in your home. Physical exercise is very good for your health. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.